Changing font color on Squarespace is actually very easy, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Squarespace account. Once you're in the Squarespace account, you're going to find the website that you want to change the font color for, and this is how your dashboard should look like after you do that. Now you're going to go to the left sidebar, you're going to click on websites, you're going to click on pages, and on pages you're going to go to the right where the pages preview. You're going to look to the top right where it says site styles. You're going to click on that, and once that's loaded, you're going to come to the bottom where it says colors. Now this is where you're going to change the color of your site. Now you can also edit palette, and you can choose whichever color you like, and it's going to give you color choices that you can choose from. And once you're done, you're going to go back and you're going to click on save. Now that's how you change font color in Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.